To print logs with color in Python, we can enhance the built-in logging module to output colored messages. This can be particularly helpful for emphasizing different log levels, namely info, warning, error, etc. In this video, we will provide a simple solution with no dependency on third-party packages. Unfortunately, there are no well-established and well-maintained third-party packages to print colored text in Python. But luckily, it's pretty simple to define and use colors with ANSI escape sequences. The ANSI escape sequences may look very weird at first sight. However, we don't need to remember them as they are not meant to be read by humans anyway. We can store the sequences in an enum and refer to them by names. If you are interested, you can open the Stack Overflow thread given in the video, which has a hot discussion regarding this issue. With the colors enum defined with the ANSI escape sequences, we can use them to print our logs with color. Note that there are no white spaces after the color code, otherwise the white spaces will be printed as they are. Besides, we need to add the reset code at the end, otherwise the color will persist forever until it's changed again. It's not a good practice to print logs with the print function. A better practice is to use the logging module. To do that, we need to define a custom formatter first, which can format the log message with color. Note that since we didn't define a color for the info level, we need to check if the definition exists and use an empty string if not. This can also make the code more robust so it won't break due to undefined log levels. We can then add the custom colorful formatter to a log handler, which is in turn added to a logger. If you need a refresh for the Python logging module, you can watch our Python logging video attached below. With this custom formatter in the logger, the log messages can now be printed in different colors, which can be very helpful for emphasizing different log levels in our Python scripts. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.